How to recover your GCash account in 2024? Well, if you want to recover your GCash account in 2024, it's actually quite simple. As long as you have the mobile number to actually verify the code and receive the SMS, you will always be able to recover your GCash account anytime as you wish. Open up the GCash mobile application and first of all, simply go ahead and then make sure to enter your particular phone number over here. Then once done, you want to simply go ahead and then tap on the next option from the bottom of the screen. Then it will basically go ahead and then send the verification code to your particular mobile number. And once you verify with the verification code, it'll ask you to enter your password, where you can also tap on forgot password if you want to, and then you'll be able to recover your GCash account in that way. This way you'll be able to recover your GCash account. I hope that this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.